The Northwestern Bridge and Lake Howell Lane Bridge, under construction, being completely replaced.
It had had some scouring where the water had gotten behind the bridge and had eroded away portions underneath the road.
The very nature of these bridges, structures spanning moving bodies of water, eventual wear and tear is expected.
A bridge is not supposed to last so long, so there's always cracks and things that happen over time. Maintenance is very important if you want your structures to last.
The average life expectancy is 50 years, with routine structural health monitoring. Seminole County using the 1-cent infrastructure sales tax to fund the bridge maintenance program.
In Seminole County, we have a list of 78 bridges. So when I say bridges, this means pedestrian bridges and traffic bridges. And traffic bridges could be culverts, could be a beam bridge. So usually for traffic bridges, inspection happen every 2 years, and for pedestrian bridges happen every 4 years.
Repairs could range from minor, backfill and sod, to major, additions of structural supports, to complete replacement.
Bridges are very labor intensive.
It's an ongoing loop of work to maintain and repair the 78 bridges.
For this fiscal year, we are inspecting 22 bridges. And we are fixing 27 of them. So what we inspected last year, we are repairing this year. So what we are inspecting this year, gonna repair next year.
The proactive maintenance and inspections, all made possible by the penny.
These bridges, roads, all of the improvements that we have made through that penny sales tax would not have happened if it not for the enlightenment of our citizenry in voting for it.
The penny sales tax has put Seminole County way ahead of a lot of counties in this area.